Okay, I'm going to explain how to do the try question on page 148. Okay, so look at your textbook, page 148. Now listen carefully. Now in order to draw a graph, okay, now how do I know this is a linear graph? You look at the power of x. Okay, power of x is 1. So this is a linear graph. So to draw a linear graph, I need to have at least 2 points. Okay, to be safe, we use 3. So we know that it is definitely correct. Now, usually I will use the extreme values for the x. And in between, I will use 0. Okay, so we will find out when x is -2, what is y. Now, when x is -2, I will sub into the equation 3x. X is -2. So minus 6 plus 5. So -1. So when x is -2, y is -1. Now, let me do the same for x is 0. When x is 0, y is 3 times 0 plus 5. Okay, so it's 5. Now, when x is 2, I will do the same thing. When x is 2, y is 3x plus 5. Okay, so this is how you get your 3 points. Now, the next thing to do is to plot these 3 points on my graph. Okay, the graph will be given to you. Okay, so what I do is I will mark it out. Okay, so how to read it? Every big square is 2 cm. Okay, every big square is 2 cm. Now, to mark the 3 points, this is the first point. So, -2, -1. So, x is -2, y is -1. So, I mark it with a cross here. Now, next, 0, 5. X is 0, y is 5. Okay, so 5 is in between 4 and 6. And finally, x is 2, y is 11. So here, okay, because this is 12. Okay, so I will join these 3 points with a straight line. Okay, and I label it. Y equals 3x plus 5. Okay, so this is how you draw a straight line graph.